Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to invite your friends on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your main chat screen where all your conversations appear. Now in the upper left corner of the screen, tap on your profile icon. This will open up your account settings and various options related to your Signal profile. From here, you'll have access to several different features and customization options. Next, scroll down through the menu until you find the option labeled Invite Your Friends. This feature is specifically designed to help you expand your Signal network by making it easy to share the app with people you know. Once you locate it, go ahead and tap on it to proceed. After tapping Invite Your Friends, you'll see a button that says Share. Tap on this button to move forward with sending out invitations. This action will trigger your device's sharing menu, which gives you multiple ways to send the invitation to your contacts. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see various sharing options appear. These options will include different apps that are installed on your mobile device. Choose whichever method works best for you to reach the friends you want to invite. This flexibility allows you to use whatever communication platform your friends are most active on. Once you've selected your preferred sharing method, select the specific people you want to invite from your contact list. After choosing your contacts, send the invitation. What's great about this process is that the invitation automatically includes a direct link that makes it incredibly easy for your recipients to download Signal. They won't need to search for the app in the store. They can simply tap the link you send them and it will take them straight to the download page. And that's it. You've successfully sent out Signal invitations to your friends, helping them join a more secure and private messaging platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.